Hello everyone, I am Razak, a PhD scholar from Kyungpook National University. I would like to enlighten you regarding a very delicate matter being faced by the Muslim community of Kyungpook National University, Daegu, Republic of Korea. KNU has a large Muslim community comprised of 150 Muslim students from various nationalities. Furthermore, it is obligatory to offer the prayer 5 times a day in congregation. So that's why the mosque is very vital for us. As you all know that our mosque is located near the west gate of Kyungpook National University. We have been offering our prayers in the same location for past 7 to 8 years without any problem with the neighbors. We are worried that discrimination and hatred against the Muslims is rapidly increasing since the start of our mosque construction. When we started the construction of our mosque after getting approval from the legal authorities, everything was going smoothly till the completion of the initial structure of our mosque. Suddenly, some of the neighbors complained against our legally approved construction in the district office. And the district office sadly, without any proper investigation, issued the suspension order. Our construction stopped immediately and we tried to resolve the issue through negotiations. Initially, the main concern of the neighbors were noise and odor. Even though it was not a genuine issue, as many Muslim students are living in their houses on rent, but still we assured them to address their concerns in our new construction. Then they changed their statement that religious worship places should not be built in the residential area. It was quite surprising for us as there are several churches located very close to our mosque. And the same question when asked by media person, one of the representatives of neighbors replied that these churches belong to Koreans. This is a direct discrimination with the foreigners. Are we not a part of your community? After several months of struggle to resolve the issue through discussion, we had no other option but to file a case for the resumption of our construction. On July 19, 2021, the court suspended the suspension notice of district office and allowed us to resume our construction. But in parallel to that, the district office approved a protest against the construction of our mosque, and this time, after the court decision, the neighbors became more harsh and rude. When the constructor came to visit the site, the Muslim students, along with the constructor, encountered severe opposition and harassment from the protesters. They shouted badly and abused us. They started slogans against us and moved towards more severe harassment to all the Muslims by calling us terrorists. They placed banners and distributed pamphlets against our religion. I have brought the samples with me and I can show you after the press conference. All their abuses and banners are really painful to tolerate. And you will not believe to what extent they have been torturing us. By observing all these activities, it seems that they have no problem with us except Islamophobia. Their enmity and disrespect became so intense that they are now abusing us openly in the streets. Here I would like to share my own story. I participated in Daegu Cultural Support Program and I was awarded as the best Daegu Cultural Supporter for last year. But these people abused me, shouted at me several times, and even called me a terrorist when I was just simply walking in the street. I cannot forget this behavior throughout my life. Every time I'm alone, this behavior and the picture of those people come in my mind, and I'm really disturbed. Not only me, but this is happening with many other Muslim students. Additionally, they blocked the roadway to the mosque by parking their cars in the middle of the street. District office have given the approval of the protest to the neighbors and have no check on them that what they are doing under the umbrella of the approved protest. We reported to the police about the blockage of the street and asked for help so that we can resume our construction. Police requested the neighbors to remove the cars from the street as it doesn't come under their jurisdiction. And we also requested the district office for the help, and they also replied that they cannot remove the cars as it also does not come under their jurisdiction. On the other hand, the head of the district office previously stated that it is a reverse discrimination case. and neighbors are encountering the actual discrimination. The above mentioned scenario gives the impression of the biased nature of the district office. We are also surprised on the changing statements and behaviors of the neighbors. First, they complained about the noise and odor. Then they placed banners and distributed pamphlets containing hatred against Muslims. After that, they asked that worship place should not be in residential area. Then they registered protest and started targeting the whole Muslim community and our religion. It seems that some other influential group of people are provoking the neighbors to disturb the peaceful environment. We wonder what is their true intention. We are struggling to resume the construction of the mosque from past 7 months. During this phase, we faced severe discrimination. Currently, we find ourselves unprotected and helpless. The most worrying part is that they are even harassing our families and kids. We and our families are psychologically affected by these hateful slogans, banners, and pamphlets. Our school-going kids are mentally disturbed by seeing all these abusive banners. Just imagine for a while that someone is calling you terrorist and killer on the street in front of your children. What would be your feeling at that time? All this violence have really disturbed our research and studies. We really wonder what wrong have we done that these people are doing such bad things with us and the local government is doing nothing. On one side, we observed a very well-civilized, optimistic, and peaceful picture of Korean culture within and outside of our university. But on other side, we are facing severe discrimination, mental stress, insecurity, insult, and hatred from a small group of people. We are highly surprised why our non-well-cultured Koreans are not raising their voice to stop such violence against us, except very few. Are they not defaming your own culture and your own country? At the end, we want to live a peaceful life maintaining our norms. Therefore, we appeal the district office, Daegu Metropolitan Government, Central Government, Foreign Ministry of Korea, and the law enforcement institutions to resolve this issue on priority basis and fulfill what the slogan of colorful Daegu demands. We also appeal the international community and the embassies to raise voice against the discrimination occurring against us. Thank you.
감사합니다.